Hey friends, if you wish to fix Google Chrome error 0xc0000005, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So here's the thing. The primary solution is to restart the browser and the computer. Right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out and then restart it. Now, when I searched for other solutions on the internet, strangely they were mentioning that it was something to do with DLL and you have to perform an SFC scan. So for the sake of this, I will perform an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc space forward slash scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Okay, this is how it will run it. And the next solution is to reinstall Chrome. And how can you reinstall Chrome? So search for Chrome in the Windows search bar. Click on the download pointing arrow associated with it. And then you can select uninstall. And then you can scroll down and click on these three dots and uninstall Chrome completely. And once it is uninstalled, you can search for Chrome download in the Windows search bar, or in the browser, and then go to the original website, click on download Chrome and then click on open. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.